favour? This is the tray I'm using. This is the little glass dish with lots of wax already. Put it there. And put one, two. Is that the best angle? Can you do it from the top maybe? Can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
These matches are so crap. What the fuck is going on there? Right. See now?
Yeah.
I go from the top now. From the top. You can do both. We can do both. Going. Was it a bit wobblish? This is wobbly. Okay.
Right.
Go under there. There you go. What's in there? Camera is losing the ability to focus.